We talked recently about changing the number format in Compile in a particular format. Today I'm going to show you a couple of other options for that. Hi, my name's Juliet, and today we're talking about number placeholders in Compile titles in Scrivener 3 for Windows. So let's just revise what we know already. Using a $n placeholder gives you a figure, and a $t placeholder gives you a text number. $t is actually specifying a title case, but if you want to specifically specify all caps, you can use $w with the W in caps. If you want to use Roman numerals, you can use the codes $R with an uppercase R for uppercase numerals, and lowercase, as you might expect, is $R with a lowercase r. And don't forget, these codes can be used in your text as well, for consecutive numbering. We might get on to more detail in resetting numbering in a future video, when I've got my head around it. However, in the meantime, you might want to watch this video that gives you more information on date codes.